Hey guys, what's up? Trucker Chris here, co-CEO of DC Trucking. This is going to be a driving video. I'm actually going to do a commentary for this. So, yeah, here we are at the Padberg truck stop. As you can see, it's a great truck stop. I don't know if you can see it. Here's my coffee. It's really warm. And we're going to get on the road. We're delivering some chicken meat. 16 tons of it. To Kiel Euro Goodies. Now, Kiel isn't exactly a far drive from here. But. And one thing I can say I don't like about Padberg is they have these, kind of island kind of things in the middle of the road. So if I can only make a right turn by going out here like this. I have to take a super wide turn to make a left. I can't even see at my window. I'm just gonna go. Shit! See, that's the only thing I don't like about Padberg. Now, normally what I do in this situation is I go out the entrance when I'm making a left turn. Because nobody really enters the truck stop anyway, so. Nobody but me enters the truck stop anyway, so. Yeah. Anyway, we're off to Kiel to deliver some chicken meat. Camera's still recording, right? Yeah. The thing is this camera only records 2 GB videos, which means it is limited to 12 minutes, which I don't know how to prevent that. If I could prevent that, I would. Which that's one thing I do not like about this camera. It's limited to 12 minutes, which isn't enough for me a lot of the time. I need more most of the time for my trucking. And we're gonna get on the freeway. On the freeway. My coffee. Really good coffee. I'm Canadian, in case you didn't know, and Canadians love coffee, I guess. Well, everybody I know is Canadian, and they all love coffee. I'm not saying a whole lot because I don't really know what to say. There's a Scania there, in an IKEA drive-in. I used to drive a Scania, but then I bought this Volvo. And the drive-in is just a trucker term for just normal box trailer. It gets the name because you put dry goods in it, and like van because it kinda, if you think about it, it's kinda shaped like a van. So that's where the name dry van comes from. It's kinda dark here. 4:21 a.m. in my Euro truck right now. So, I'll talk about this Volvo a bit. This is a 2009 Volvo FH16. It's according to Euro Truck. It's a Volvo FH16 Classic. Black & Decker logo there. I got this over the new Volvo because I personally don't like the new Volvo. I feel it's too overused, and the interior is disgusting. Let me put that out there. I find that this is just my opinion, but I find the interior of the new Volvo is disgusting. So I can never handle being in that interior, so for that reason I didn't go for a new Volvo. Plus, it's just, I feel it's too overused in that, you know, it's kind of, oh shit, I need to get on this exit, shit, and that's it's kind of overrated. Like, I guess you could say the same thing about Scania too, and if you said that about Scania, I couldn't help but agree with you. Scania is kind of overrated, you know. And they're used quite a lot too, which they're kind of overused and overrated, so yeah. Anyway, let's talk a bit about the trucks that are underrated and hardly ever used. Well, the MAN TGX Euro 5, and that comes with Euro Truck, is actually, it's a good truck, you know? You would never know it because hardly anybody drives it. It's so underused. It's like, nobody ever drives it. Same thing with the old Mercedes Actros. The old Mercedes Actros is actually a decent truck. It is, what are you doing? We're already in Kiel, so this drive was faster than I thought it would be. But I guess that's better than me being this lane out. I guess that's better than having it be slower than I thought it would be. Anyway, here is the warehouse where we will be delivering this chicken meat to. Got a slightly wide turn here. Alright, here we are at the warehouse. It's the Euro goodies. Now it's time to park the trailer, which is actually probably considered the hardest part of being a trucker, is parking the trailer. Probably the hardest part. I have a reefer on in case you didn't know. There we go, parked. I have a reefer on in case you didn't know. Reefer full of chicken meat. There we go, delivered. Now I'm going to go process that in my logbook over there on my laptop. Hope you enjoyed this little drive. Subscribe to the DC Trucking YouTube channel for more, and I'll see you soon. Bye.